Hey everyone, Gil or Grayman Prepping with another Your Prep for Today. Well, I'm in the bathroom here, so it has to be something in the bathroom we're going to be talking about. Alright, but before we jump into that one, let you know that the channel now has channel memberships. If you look down in the description below, it talks about them and it has the a link where you can join there directly, or if you just click down, I believe it's somewhere around about here, there'll be a little join tab as well. Alrighty, so what is it in the bathroom here that I'm going to be talking to you about? Well, let's see. It's not toilet paper. It's not, I'm not talking about that stuff, but it's something you do in the sink. What can that be? Well, not brushing your teeth, but close. Alright, what I want to talk to you about is, if I get it hold up here right, dental floss. Alright, now there's, dental floss is one of those things you use to get between your teeth, if you don't know, to get the extra stuff out that you can't get with the brushing. Alright, but some people say, and I know I have this problem, dental floss, well, I can't reach in there with my, both hands to try to get in there. My hands are too big and I can't get it all done. I have that problem too, but there's something else. All right, so this is made, the stuff we use is made by Glide, and something else made by Glide. It's a bunch of little plastic. I can get the line up here right. Doohickeys here that have preloaded dental floss in them there, and you just take that plastic thing and you can use it to scrape off X stuff you missed, hard stuff you missed with the brushing, and you can use it as the one end has a little flat piece that you can use it as a like a toothpick. The other end is like a bow with a piece of floss in it, and you squeeze it, tightens it up really tight, and you can get in there and in between your teeth all the way in the back real easy. All right, so think about adding dental floss to your preps, making sure you have everything you need to take care of these things so they don't grow back. All right, and before we head off, I'm going to put a video up here you'll be interested in. I'll put a playlist down here. I'll put the link to Camp Patton, my other channel, up here, and then down over here I'll put the announcement video for our channel memberships. See you around.